Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and in today's video I'm going to show you a skirt that is going to make a big difference in your wardrobe this holiday season. It's available on Amazon. Now, this video is not sponsored in any way. I'm just sharing my love of fashion with you. I hope you'll like it. The star of this show is a long satin skirt, very affordably priced. Let's take a look. Now, a lot of the content on this channel is designed for women like me. I am in my 50s, but I like to dress youthful and stylish with a little bit of a classic twist. I think this skirt will work for any woman of any age, but I'm really excited to show it to you today. Now, this is what the skirt looks like, and it is available on Amazon. It is a full length on me. I am 5'4". This skirt goes almost all the way to my ankles. So in some of the clips that I'm showing you today, I have folded over the waistband to shorten the skirt a little bit because I wanted the option to wear it longer if I wanted to. But I purchased it in this beautiful shade of coppery, burnt orange. I think this is a perfect color for that Thanksgiving season. But as I think you're going to see, this color can go right into the Christmas season as well. So I'm going to start with one of my very favorite looks because I absolutely love chocolate brown, and we're seeing a lot of that this holiday season. Now, I love this very simple boat neck knit top from Ann Taylor with the gold buttons along the cuffs. I've paired it with just a pair of chocolate brown ankle booties that are from Ralph Lauren, and I think what really makes this look terrific is an animal print bag. I love this color of orange with animal print, and I think this is look number one, a perfect choice for Thanksgiving. Now, look number two pairs this rust-colored skirt with a simple black turtleneck. Black and rust always look great together. I have cinched the sweater with an animal print belt and also put some animal print booties on to make this look. And this look looks great with a black crossbody bag and a biker leather jacket. Just a little comment for you. If you are liking this type of content and you're liking the things that I'm showing you today, I hope you'll consider hitting that like button. It only takes you a second, and it really helps my channel to grow. Thanks for considering. So this skirt retails at a very affordable price, around $35. And I am wearing the color that is on the far left here. They are listing it as brown on the website, but I definitely think it looks more like a burnt orange color. I absolutely love it, but you can see that it comes in many other colors that would be perfect for the holiday season. I've already put in an order for the color right next to it in that beautiful burnt gold, but I also love the navy, the wine, the ivory, and even that beautiful emerald green. Now, outfit number three is my version of a look I've been seeing everywhere this season, where they match a satin skirt with a monochromatic sweater in a chunky knit in a color that matches it or is just a different, slightly different shade. Here I am pairing this beautiful rust skirt with a cable knit sweater from LL Bean, very rugged in nature, and I've switched out the boots for some kind of a rugged lug-soled boots in a chocolate brown color, and I think this makes for just a really cute look, especially if you want to dress up a little bit but still have a laid-back casual look to it. This is a perfect style choice. I think one of the things that's really nice about a satin skirt is your ability to mix and match textures with it. So this is another chunky sweater, this time in a soft ivory winter white. This would look perfect going into the winter season. I have paired it with some tall ivory colored boots. This sweater is available in Ann Taylor, and it features a nice shaker knit print with some cool kind of wooden type buttons along the neckline. I would say if you're going to order this though, I would order a size down. I would have been happier with a small. I ordered this in a medium, but it does look really cute, I think, with this beautiful rust skirt. Sometimes you just get lucky with the things that are in your closet, and I think that's what happened here in this next pairing. This is actually probably my favorite fall sweater. I've had it for several years, and I just love the way this looks with faded jeans or with chocolate brown pants. And as I was looking for things to pair this sweater, this one kind of kept coming back to my eye, and I thought it looked really cute paired with this kind of patterned sweater. Now, you may or may not have a patterned sweater that matches this type of a skirt in there, but check your closet because you might find that you do. And I thought this was a really cute way to wear this skirt for work or something a little more casual. So this next one is probably the most dressy or formal of the looks that I'm showing you today. And I've paired the long skirt, and I've kept it a little longer for this look, with an off-the-shoulder cashmere sweater in a soft bisque, very, very light beige color. I love the way these two colors play off each other. And I have switched out the shoes for these little mesh ballet flats with some rhinestone detail for a dressier look. And my jewelry in this one, I am pairing it with a cute little pearl necklace with a little medallion on it, available on Amazon. I'll have those things linked in the description box below. This is a close-up of some of the accessories that I think really look beautiful with this look, including those mesh ballet flats on the far left, available at Amazon, a close-up of the pearl necklace that I am wearing with the gold medallion, and another option for you is this beautiful beige bootie with a pointed toe. I'll have the links to all of these items and everything else listed in the description box below. Now, this next look was me trying to recreate something I saw on Pinterest that I thought was a very elegant outfit, and it had a skirt in a similar shade as this one, paired with a very simple light gray turtleneck sweater. I didn't really have anything in the fine gauge knit that I saw in that picture, but I do love the way light gray looks paired with this rust. And so I had a chunkier, kind of a shaker knit type sweater, turtleneck sweater with some thumb holes, and I paired it with the sweater and kept the ivory tall boots on. And I think this is also a look that could take you a lot of places. I think one of the best things about satin skirts is their versatility. They certainly can be very dressed up and can be very elegant. You can kind of dress them down with a rugged sweater, and you can also dress them down with a simple t-shirt and a denim jacket. Now, I am wearing my fleece-lined denim jacket on this one. A similar item is available on Amazon, and I will find it and link it below. And I'm pairing it today with some Western style booties that are kind of short booties. I purchased these at Marshall's several months ago, and they're just a really very comfortable shoe. Underneath is just a simple white tee, knotted at the waist, but I've kept that pearl necklace on. I like the counterplay between a little bit of pearls and a little bit of very casual. You can also wear this look, I think, with sneakers, but I preferred it on me with just these little Western booties, because where I live, it's getting kind of chilly. And so booties are definitely a better choice for me than sneakers in the winter months. So I hope you can see why I think you need this skirt. I think everybody needs this skirt. Now, it is not the most expensive and well-made skirt. I would say if I were to design this skirt, I would have done something a little different with the waistband, but it didn't stop me from loving it and wearing it. And of course, I think when you get something a little more affordable, sometimes you have to know you're not going to necessarily get all the detailing if you're going to spend a lot more money on it. This skirt is available in a ton of different colors. So I think if you did not like this rust combination that I was showing you today, there are so many other colors that you could use that would really create a beautiful look. So I hope I've given you some ideas of how to match this skirt formally and very casually and informally, how to match it with chunky sweaters, monochromatic look. I hope you've enjoyed the content that I'm showing you today, and I hope that if you did, you will consider leaving me a comment, leaving me a like on this channel, and I would especially love it if you chose to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will get notified when I create new content, which I do every week. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you again in a few days with another holiday video.